The best feature of the Pocket Flare 2.0 is lamp mode. The entire translucent housing becomes a lens that emits 90 lumens. That's enough to illuminate an entire room. It also has two other modes from the front lens: low beam, which is 4 lumens, and high beam, which is 33 lumens. It is so small you can comfortably carry it anywhere. In your pocket, in your bag, in your purse, on mollywebbing, in your car, on a keychain. The kit comes with a detachable pocket clip, and if you remove it, you can attach it directly to your Keyport or other Anywhere Tools modules to create a custom multi-tool stack. It's also water resistant, and it has a USB-C charger hidden under the dust plug. It's perfect for working on your car, approaching a dark entry, illuminating your bag, navigating through a dark room, camping, and so much more. What will you use it for?